To install the hot swap hard disk drive backplane, align the backplane with the slot on the chassis. Lower the backplane into the server. Leave the backplane at an angle of elevation so that the backplane connectors will not be damaged. Make sure the locating pin securely engage the bottom of the backplane. Rotate the blue latches to unlocked position. Reconnect the cables to the backplane. Replace the system fan cage. Align the system fan cage with the guide rails on the fan cage bracket. Lower the system fan cage into the fan cage bracket until the system fan cage clicks into place. Reconnect the fan cables. Reconnect the mini SAS cable. Install the top cover. Set the cover on top of the server so that approximately 1/2 inches extends from the rear. Align the cover over the server until the cover edges slip into position over the chassis. Slide the top cover forward and into position. Tighten the thumb screws to secure the cover to the chassis. Install the hot swap hard disk drives. With the drive handle in the open position, slide the hard disk drive into the hot swap bay. Rotate the handle until it latches in place. Use the same procedure to install any additional drives if required.